Why do pro bono?
Why not? I mean, that's the bigger question, why not?
The easy answer is ethically you should. I think ethically you must. But the more important answer is that in your development as a lawyer, in your development as a functioning human in society, doing pro bono provides you something that nothing else can.
Part of practicing law, I think, is contributing in your community.
I think you do pro bono from a personal perspective because there is that desire in everybody to pay it forward.
As lawyers, we are very privileged. Sometimes it doesn't always feel like it when we're sitting at our desk grinding away, but compared to many people in the world, we are very, very privileged. And so I think that we have an obligation from that privilege to be giving back and to making a contribution.
We have some particular responsibilities that go along with all of those privileges. And the biggest responsibility is to make sure that the system of justice that we have is available to the people for whom it was created.
So I'm just excited to be able to help people match up with opportunities they feel excited about doing and get a chance to help other people.
Anyone who's engaged in pro bono work on behalf of people in need can tell you that the rewards far exceed the effort put into the work.
I hope that everyone has, to use Dylan's phrase, shelter from the storm. And I hope as well that we're all privileged and graced with opportunity to share a shelter with another.
There's no better payment than getting a thank you from a client. There's nothing better than standing next to a client who's seeking asylum here in the United States and telling them that they never have to go home. That kind of thank you, seeing that in a client's eyes, getting a hug from a client is more than you could ever be paid.
From a personal level, the people that we've talked to who've contributed benefit immensely.
It's a wonderful way for our people to get to know the community and to be of the community, as well as living and working in it, but to really be a part of it and to really understand what the issues are outside of our office doors.
A lawyer who does pro bono, a young lawyer who does pro bono, for example, will experience the fulfillment of helping somebody in need. Of course, that's true of a lawyer of any age.
You will represent the most incredible individuals that you will ever encounter. You will learn more things than you will ever learn through your ordinary practice of law. And through that, you will grow. And I assure you, you will find the cases that will shape you as an attorney for the rest of your professional career.
Often the most rewarding pro bono work is something that you personally care about. Whether it's hunger issues or housing issues or domestic violence, the opportunity to make a difference there with your skill set as a lawyer is wonderfully rewarding.
What better way to contribute to the development of a legal system than to volunteer your time working through NGOs or even directly to help the most poor and vulnerable citizens of the society?
The easy answer, the obvious one, is because it's the right thing to do. As professionals, we owe it to society, we owe it to people who can't otherwise access justice to provide these services to them. So it starts there, and at the end it really ends there as well.